In this video, I'll show you how to export Dwfx files in AutoCAD quickly and easily, step by step. If you work with architectural, engineering, or design drawings, Dwfx is a great file format for sharing, reviewing, and publishing your work in a format that's easy to open and view. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create the file from your AutoCAD drawing without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to export. Make sure the file is fully opened and ready before you begin. You can use a new drawing or an existing project depending on what you want to publish as a Dwfx file. Once your drawing is open, the next step is to use the plot command. To do that, type plot into the command line and press enter. This will open the plot dialog box, where you can control all the important print and export settings. This is the main area where you'll prepare your drawing for Dwfx output, so take a moment to look over the options carefully. Now, in the plot dialog, find the printer or plotter section. From the drop-down menu, set the printer or plotter to Dwfxe plot.pc3. This is the key setting that tells AutoCAD you want to export your drawing as a Dwfx file instead of printing it to paper. Once you select it, AutoCAD will switch the output format for the final file. Next, choose the paper size that matches your drawing needs. Depending on your layout and project, you may want a standard size or a custom size. Choosing the correct paper size is important because it affects how your drawing will appear in the exported file. If the sheet size is too small or too large, your final output may not look exactly the way you want, so it's always worth checking this carefully. After that, set the plot area. You can choose layout, extents, or window, depending on what part of the drawing you want to export. If you're working from a layout tab, layout is usually the easiest choice. If you want the full visible range of the drawing, extents may be the better option, and if you only want a specific section, choose window and define the area manually. Pick the option that best fits your file. Then, adjust the scale if needed. Sometimes your drawing will already be set up correctly, but in other cases, you may need to change the scale to make sure the exported Dwfx file displays properly. This is especially important when you want the output to match a specific paper size or viewing standard. Double check that the scale is accurate before moving on. If you want to be extra safe, you can click preview before exporting. This gives you a chance to inspect how the final Dwfx file will look. Preview is optional, but it's very useful if you want to catch any layout issues, scaling problems, or missing content before saving the file. If everything looks right, you're ready to continue. Now click OK to proceed. AutoCAD will ask you to choose a file location and a file name for the exported Dwfx file. Pick the folder where you want to save it, type in a clear file name, and make sure it's something easy to recognize later. This helps keep your drawings organized, especially if you export files regularly. Finally, click Save to create the Dwfx file. AutoCAD will process the drawing and generate the output in the location you selected. Once it's finished, your Dwfx file is ready to share, review, or archive. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Dwfx file in AutoCAD. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can repeat it anytime you need to publish a drawing in Dwfx format. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software topic you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.